This is my first time ever in Battersea Power Station. I've seen this power station from the other side of the river, you know, growing up and running along, you know, chasing the dog and riding a bike in short trousers. Coming inside here, we arrive at a whole cathedral of industry, astonishing artefacts, astonishing built design and ornamentation, and of an industrial level and nature which is just breathtaking. Wandering around here, immediately I'm looking at cornices and architectural detail that most people wouldn't necessarily notice. And fascinatingly enough, I just spotted a Vitruvian scroll, which is known as a running dog or a wave pattern. Exactly the same pattern that I designed and painted down the side of Her Majesty's, the Queen's Royal Rowbarge Gloriana. If you look, you'll see that same scroll used historically, ancient pattern used traditionally. Why it's here, I'm going to find out. It must be a link to the Thames. Battersea Power Station, you know, for those that are not sure, supplied about 1/5, roughly, of the whole of London's electricity and whole of London's power. Took in excess of 3 million gallons of water for its cooling agents.